Hello everyone, this is Azur and today I'm going to solve AtCoder beginner contest 457, and until the contest we have 20 minutes, and I would like just to make my code space and something similar to this. So I'm already set my workspace physically. There's my mouse and others. So also I got some water, and I also advise you to get some pen and paper because this is the base that you'll be need at each contest, even competition. So let's get started. I don't know what I'll use, but just okay. Let's enter Firefox. I already up there at Coder. Yep. So I'm going to check my workspace if it's working. It's the sound. Um, yeah, it's working. So we need to make some template for now. We still have some 14 minutes. I'm just contest beginning in 30 minutes. I hope I could write D asks wait to get um to get 500 points and greater. and late. This I will try my best. So I'm not going to register, so let's make some template. So this. Okay, so my workspace is already done, so you could see it. And I made also, then I imported uh, the main one, and for next set I defined int long long for extra stations or something like this. Then I made fast program for test cases. I just wrote std for not writing it, and also the same with gnu pbdc for not using it there. Some constants, infinity and mode, and that's all. So the contest is already going to start for 3 minutes. I think some real ready, so I will try to solve all the tasks. But it's going to be really hard, but why not? So contest is going to start for 1 minute. Okay, so I hope I could write 500 points. I have 20 seconds left. So mainly the main problem I got, I couldn't register. Oh yep. So do you live in Japan? What is this? Register using America can be found up to 2 years. Do you live in Japan? And now, do you reside in Japan and wish? Yeah, the contest are going to start. Japan and wish to receive the prize. No, answer. What? Email address. And junior high schools. Okay, application. I don't need this. I need planet. Okay, good luck. So we have an array. Wait. What is this? Okay. You're given. So I have been stuck at this task and I really don't know what to do. I think it's about a map. I don't know, I just think about this and I just going to implement this by maps, but okay, this got solved in submissions got solved. Let's do like this. So okay, let's just do a string. So let's make char b. It's pretty hard, really. Input is just something. Nope. Let's do it like this. After make, then we need to put some LLX. Okay, I'm sorry. So also for this contest I get some technical problems. Right there, I just add some X. Oh my goodness. How it's even possible? Mhm. This is really strange. Like, I'm pretty stuck at this task, but I think I could solve with this. Mainly, the map was really good solution. I think we also could do a larger map for saving some time complex. No, time limit. But so if we go onto L, just we put some input. It really is so strange. I wasn't expecting this, but more test case it could be like it's possible that it's so big, like um, example. I mean, this is really strange. Like, I couldn't believe this. How it's even possible. For example, Okay, I'm sorry again, like I get lots of technical problems. Wait a minute. So the main problem was that um, I realized that there is 2 multiplied 10 at the power 5, and there's also mainly for LE it could give, for example, 200. Yep. And once my uh, my LN or LE is going to be for example 400, and because of this it's not mainly single integer. There's no one digit. I could do just minus 0, and because of I need just to translate for string, and right now I think it's going to work. Yeah, that's pretty good. So okay, we solved 2 tasks. It's going really hard, so C and D tasks, long sequence. Oh crap, the same one there. Okay, I'm going to save this type of input. Okay. So just an imaginary you're given integers n and k along with n integers is sequence a1, a2, an, and the length in integers sequence okay, this sequence and this sequence. The length, why do I need k? Of integer a is le is greater than its current. It's at sum of sy multiplied le is larger than k. Okay. Construct an integer sequence b. Okay. From a and c using phalanx producer, let b an integer sequence of length 0. Okay. What I need to print its length. Wait, the maximum. Wait. Find the value. Oh, okay. Understood. Now I will be needed to read this all again for better understanding. So see why is this? Let b, yep, append a1 to the end of b1's. Okay, a1, but why a1? Like, the sequence. Okay, interesting. Then, that's really bad. I get b1's return. Okay, so what about for constraints? It's pretty okay. This is element. What about this? 2 multiplied 10 to the power of 5. This is also bad. So I missed wisdom so much. Okay, so let's just do timer to seconds. It's almost good. So I think so. It's just would be great if we try to do something way interesting than this, but um, so the main problem is that I just need. Okay, I'm sorry, and mainly it would be great if I just do some array B, no, like 2D array. Yeah, I see. Could it be negative? Yeah, it's incredible. I'm going to use this. What if I try this map? Like this map, when I go, there is going to be um I need just to seek for elements as 1J and push it back down. Like it's going to start with 0, there's this 1, there's this 2, and then wait this. Oh, it's also good if I do some tuple, right? Like there's LE, and there's a tuple, there's LE, there's a tuple, there, or some array, like type of map. Yeah, I think stuff like this. Okay, I'm again so sorry, I got lots of technical problems. I will need this. Okay, so I'm back, and mainly I've already made its code by inputting. It was pretty easy. Like I was really a little bit stupid. I mean, you just could do resize. Here I'm going to show you. For example, if we have an array A, and I made already array L, I made this, and mainly I resized the row and just start to take input. That's really dumb on this position. It's really pretty critical, but mainly how to solve this. Wait, if it says 132, I think it's something wrong. I mean, what if I tries like some iterations? He wants like one iteration. For one iteration, I'm there. For the third one, I'm there. No, 3 times. So I went, 4, 3, 4 3 4 3. Um, no, this is really hard. For example, the ninth one, if I need to print uh, one iteration goes, this is 1 2 3, there's loaded left 6, then 3 times I go through this, no, through this, no, this is 3, and okay, yeah, it's going to be what, 3 up, nope, I just, yeah, like from 6 we subtract 3 is going to be 3. We have left only 3 elements, I'm sorry, and 2 times I need to give 4 and 3. Logically, if I give 4 and 3, I get left only, yeah, I get 0, but because of there's also left 1, there's going to be 4. Wait a minute. Be 9, yeah. There's 10 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. Let's try this. What if we did a simple simulation? Let's make array B. B, I don't know its size. For example, I walk at say E, yep. Let's make LLE. Mainly for is less than, yep. Let's make J. This one there's X to be EY and there's going to be X. So until it's going to repeat, I also have for J is equal to 0 and J is less than Y. Nope. Okay, wait a minute. Nope. Mainly it's going to be mainly we go like this, yep. 1 2 3, yep. So then it's going to be easy to solve, like there's some grid algorithm. Find the value of P and K. There is CY times append AE, yep. I do it by order, so it's going to be way easy to solve, I think so. Wait a minute. I think so, I got this. For example, 1, yep. 1 multiplied by LE is going to be 3, 9 minus 3. And okay, I just need to pay attention for surrounded elements by 9, mainly this is 8 and 10. Okay, for example, it's 6, yep, and then I go to this. There's 3. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3, and because 6 minus 3 is going to be 3. And then we move on for 2, 1. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, but 3. But okay, wait a minute. For example, if it's 3, it's good if we only pay attention for like make it less. I mean, there's, what if we do there 1 and then we multiply, we get 2, yep. No, that's not good, really. pretty hard. Like, what about end? It's 4. This is CY, like, count is going to be equal for CY multiplied by LY. Yeah, that's great. So then I like just to subtract it. For example, if yeah, it was k minus minus count is greater than, yep, 0, then the k minus count at the else position we need to think. And for the else situation, I'm going to make some answer variable. This is really hard to understand. Like, it's already couldn't be subtract. When it couldn't be subtract, I just pay attention for what. For the white row of AE, yup. Yup. Oh, wait a minute. Yup. So, for example, on there, yeah, 4, 3, and I'm at 4, 3, and already I got only 3 of them. Okay, so I could make array B for this situation. Yep. So just, and then just to move like for allele y is less equal to 0, y is less than cy, and then for allele j is equal to 0 and j is less than 2, push back j, push back aj, I hope, something this type. Let me think clearly. Like, I think so. It's really easy. Just okay. What if I do some visualizing? Really, for first time, OneNote is really useful to me. Wait a minute. What about that one? Okay. For example, but wait a minute. No, it's really easy. Like, I couldn't believe this. I have left only 3 elements, and mainly the length of that one is 4, 3. Okay, what if I do vector b, like some array, influence what? Here's the problem, like, okay, for example, it doesn't have some length. B is just array or vector. And for allele e is equal to 0 and e is less than k, like what left? Left is only 3. Then I like just to try, for example, push back bytes in no. What if I make array that's copying this up, like a white row is going to copy, and then I work this, and then I'm going to break it. Okay, let's do this. For example, vector, I'm going to call it need. Yep, and there's going to be multiply. K is less than count. Else, I like to try like need push back. Need pushback type of AY row. Yep. Okay, and then I like just to try to give I'm done. Like if I try then need push back, what need just push back K, no, X, yeah, right now it's good. Then oh my crap, my head is just blowing for today. I'm in my hair. I'm sorry. Then after this I will be just needed to do this, like I walk at this for several times. No, wait a minute, like I could find this, you know, for example, if array is length like 4 lengths, 1 2 3 4, and I need to find the 7th element, I mean it is going to be 3, like if array is 1 2 3 4 and I need to find 7th element is going to be 3. I don't know why, like 7 modulo 4 is 3, yep, and because of it's 3 by my mind. For example, but what about 8? The 8th element is 4. 8 modulo 4 is 2. No, it's not like something greater. What if I divide? No, if I divide, like I don't get something brutal. Let's ask this as Google. if array, for example, no, like, yeah. Okay, so this is n minus 1 and the length of array, like, let me copy this. Then array index is going to be equal for k minus 1, k minus 1 need size. Okay, so it's k minus 1. I was pretty close, but I was just saying k. That was my I would say like my bad, like, and because if I'm going to print need index, so I hope it's going to work. Like, to get 600 points, why not? Holy crap, if it works I'm going to be so happy, because it's my first time solving C task at ABC in AtCoder. Please work, man, please, just show me AC. Like, it's not a problem for you and not a problem for me. Holy crap, oh my goodness, I made it, man, it was easy. Yo, let's go. Woohoo. I'm also left for 30 minutes. Why not solve the task? Let's go, bro. Oh my goodness, no. Something like, it's my dream. Yo, let's go. It's also a contest. Thank you, God. Let's go. And also, it looks easy. Why not solve this task? It's already 400 points. Oh my goodness. 2-2. How many points I could get? Mainly it's 1000. Wait a minute. 1000. 5 to 5 and 6 to 5. 6 to 5. Oh, the total point it is 2620. What's the G task about? Like, let's review all tasks. Some type of French queries, if I don't miss. What about if task? Oh, it looks pretty good. Output normal mode load this. Permutation condition low. You're giving an integer n and integer occurs. Okay, was the so find the number modulo of permutation of. Wait, that's what the find the number modulo of permutations p of. Oh, it's pretty hard. Like, yo, and why do I need d for each a and pb? What's time? It's 2 seconds. B, the elements with the largest. Okay, that sounds really hard. So the if task about this. E-test. Wait, what about G-test? Catch all apples. Is this tree like? Yeah, this looks as tree or some graph. If I don't miss, 2 seconds is pretty good. And apples fall on number line. Apply iPhones and okay. You want to place some robots the number line to collect an apples. The robots can be placed at any coordinates. Each robot starts a yeah. Okay, let's ignore this as for a while. Okay, I'm pretty really tired, so let's rest because like I mean at contest we don't need to be concentrated for a while. I'm really pretty tired. We have remaining time 30 minutes. I'll now just take a rest for 10 minutes. Okay, see you later after 10 minutes. So I came back and mainly let's get started for some new task. I already read its conjunction, I mean this statement, and it's really interesting. Why not solve this? Mainly I just would like to do type of mm, okay. You are given a sequence A length and an integer k. You can perform the following operation between 0 and k times inclusive. Choose an integer y satisfying, okay, and add y to ae. Find the maximum possible value of minimum ay for the sequence. Okay, let's wait. Find the maximum possible value of minimum from, okay, a e for the sequence of the, so I need to print what would the answer, wait, for example, by choosing y twice and one two, sequence becomes 3 4 3, yep. In this case the minimum value is 3. It's impossible to make the minimum value 4 or greater, so okay, how am I supposed to do this? Like, this is really hard already. This is like type of dynamic programming, if I don't miss, but I don't think so. We could do something greater than this. 4 5 10 1. I'm going to analyze this. Like, I need to make maximum, and from maximum so I need to choose minimum. Okay, so what about there? Why I get 7? Like, well, I mean, the sum of this 6 and 6, yep, nothing. Okay, so I think so it's pretty good to do this, like, um oh really, I couldn't get the conjunction of this task mainly. um so it's possible there's some problems. So guys, I think I couldn't implement this problem by why not think about this like 2 and 3. Yeah, like there it says we need to print the maximum possible value between the minimum of array. Um, Mainly it means I need to pay attention for minimum values from like there. I need to pay attention for 1 and 1. For example, how can I increase it? It says that the minimum is 7, but if I do this 2, for example, if I 1 plus 5 is 6, and there's 6, but there's 1. Maybe the output is 1. I don't know how he did it. Like type of it's really hard. For example, wait a minute. Okay. So wait a minute. I add y to AE. Okay, man. I see. So okay, that's now I feel the sense. For example, okay, I'm sorry. For example, there is index 3, and 3 plus 2 times 2 base right there, so we get 10, 1, 10, 7, and then we get only 3 operations left, and for 3 operations, yeah, it just says 1 or 4, like, is it 1 indexed? For example, there, if it's second one, if I invest 3 operations, it's going to be 10, then 2, oh no, I missed 7, 10, and then 1, and then there's left 1, so I have left how many operations? There are 2 operations left. 2, yep, and no, 2 multiplied 4 is 8, and 10, 7, 10, 8. Yeah, I get something this type. 8 is greater than 7 because it's not minimum, but we got 7. Okay, I feel the sense right now, but I couldn't get any idea in mind. It's really hard to see like LLAN. Let's take input for itself. And it's less than n. And something this type, but there will be needed just to give something. I mean, is it 2 pointers? Like, I don't know. No, or like type of binary search. It's possible dynamic programming. Why? Because it's possible we use some previous data. Data. Like, for this index, the minimum is what, and for this one, I move like this. Because I think that it's dynamic programming. So I think so I'll be just to try something really another one. So my my microphone is just blowing. It's really strange. It reacts for something else. Okay, so we only okay, we have 11 minutes. Holy crap. And sin okay, let's make type of vector LLDPN plus 5. And do like this, and then I just do less than n. So then I will think about no, let's make right there 1. characters. Also, let's like this, and also let's make this array 1 indexed. An plus 5 for extra 1. Oh, I'm sorry. So yep. What can be the transition of RDP? DP0 make equal to the A0. I mean, and then what if I give the maximum right there? The all of them to multiply is going to be 11. I need to make one of them. I mean, I need to try to make one of them so big and second of them next to right there. For choosing this, like this is 8 and this is 7, and I choose 7 because of its minimum. Yo, I'm going to do this. I couldn't understand like type. Typically, it's really hard. I couldn't feel any sense right there. Um, What's so hard? I haven't expected this. Like, yo, it's, it's impossible. So really, for example, each index, like there's I'm going to plus 1, there's 2, there's 3, but what it gives me to me, like secondary, um, um if I start like at 1 1 10, okay, let's make some type of arrays like 1 2 3 4 5. What maximum I could do? For example, count of operation is going to be 3. My minimum is 1, and the best thing I could do is to increase 2 for increasing 1. Like, I could increase 2 for, or, yeah. So I need to pay attention for previous 2 minimum elements. And what if by order I do them? Like, I mean, at array from 1 to 5, there are two smallest elements, and this is 1 and 2, and I have three operations. Mainly, what if I start from maximum, like I mean, uh, the index of first one is 1 and the second one is 2, and for example I increase the second one. 2 plus 2 is 4, and the count operations I got is what is 2. I've only left two operations. Okay, and I try to increase this, uh, and I could increase one, like only with two operations, and mainly I get 3. Oh, wait a minute. Yup, 3. And the minimum, and right now my array is going to look like this: 3, 4, 3, 4, and 5. And because of I think so, the maximum is 3. Like, could I make something greater than this? Um, nope, I still couldn't feel the sense, like, bro. I couldn't feel the sense right now, really, like, what the hell is happening? Logically, I will increase the first minimum. I get some tricks, but from these tricks I couldn't get like idea. I will watch to the two smallest minimum elements, and by comparing them, I will increase them. Holy crap! Like, I'm sure they're 1 and 2. It just increased 1 on 100%. I'm sure at this, or like this. But because of increasing them, we need to watch to them too. Yeah, like by achieving one element, I need to increase second element. If I achieve the second element, I need to increase the third element, and it goes step by step. And what if it's really done in programming? So if we do like dynamic programming, we're going to have some base tests. Base test, there's going to be 8, and we need to get some transition, like, and transition is going to be something. Oh my goodness, like, what could be about transition? Like, the sum of all elements divided to the operations. Like, really something so strange. Because of, yep. So we only get 1 minute. It's enough to get like some idea for 1 minute, but okay. Um, boom. we are only left for 20 seconds. It's impossible to think about this either. Like really, if it if this problem is about dynamic programming, then what dynamic programming we need to use there? Like, is it divide and conquer? Like, okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Polaris.AI, yep, has ended. Incredible. Yep. What about standings? I hope I get something like the first place. I'm a noob. I believe you, man. Like you're a really noob. For 18 minutes solved. Oh, wait a minute. That was impossible. Like, oh, he started from. Okay. Who are you? Like, is this? Okay. Um. 6,962. What about total? Like, wait a minute. No, no, no. Yeah, right there, like, yeah, this is pretty cool to take. It would be great if I would like to take top 5,000. Yeah, it would be my dream. Like, I'm the top of 15%. Unfortunately, I was close. Like, this is type of 30 or 20%. Unfortunately, we got unlucky, but I'm sure at the next time, not even unlucky. Like, this is my first time solving 300 um points at AtCoder contest. Like, it's already 2 hours. It was my first stream at my channel where I'm doing something for 2 hours. Yeah, and it was beginner contest. Like, I'm really glad that I solved something. Okay. Oh, there's also nope. It's not dynamic programming, but it's pretty harder. It is. What is this? I can understand. Is there without template? This is two pointers. Oh my goodness. Like, wait a minute. He put. Yeah, this is. Mm, no. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. It was for. It was about 2 hours. I'm really glad that I made my own record tonight. It's already 6 p.m. by Azerbaijan time. So, thank you for watching this video. See you later.